Indian citizenship in country donania, Indian political class country le donania, enge India kikanenanga. The Indian Constitution deals with citizenship from Articles 5 to 11 under Part 2 Indiani. Part 2 noya Indian Constitution in Article 5 atanga 11 Indian citizenship India khwale tui kan nina soifiana ania heta hian zona om thei chu the Indian citizenship deals with which article 5 to 11 under Part 3 ani hanchiar zel ula a citizen is a person who enjoys full membership of the country in which he or she resides. India khwale tui innia India ramapiang India ramacheng inni chuan Indian citizen inni. Indian Constitution provides a single and uniform citizenship. In han enanga single le uniform khenge single chu citizenship pakhat Indian citizen inni chuan Indian citizen chau inni theya citizen dang inni du chuan Indian citizen inni nakha in kalsan nangaya man lai khan USA a khwan dual citizenship ania single ni lo dual USA citizenship ni chung rengin Indian khuta zu om te po khan Indian citizenship kha an nei tel theya ma se tun hnuwa chuan kha phal ani to lawani. The Citizenship Act of 1955 provides 5 ways of acquiring citizenship in India. Citizenship India ramakan nei dan hi jinga oma 5 ways. Citizenship Act hi enact nge 1955 Citizenship Act lo chhuat hun chu 1955 khan nia hita khian the Citizenship Act came into being on 1955 akum khi poimoa engtin nge Indian citizenship kan nei dan. Point number 1 a chuan by birth. Every person born in India on or after 26 January 1950 shall be a citizen of India by birth India, irrespective of the nationality of his parents. Innu le pa chu sap emo namdang po lo ni se 26 January 1950 nuwa India ramapiang inni phot chuan by birth in Indian citizen in ngal ani. A point number 2 khi kan en lenga by descent. Point number 1 a chuan zona om thei chu engti ka tangin nge by birth a Indian citizen in ni thei kan ti chuan 26 January 1950 amo a hnuwa piang ten by birth in Indian citizen in ni thei ani. By descent khenge persons born outside India on or after 26 January 1950 but before 10 December 1992 are citizens of India by descent if their father was a citizen of India at the time of their birth. Hi chu han chiar ula han en wang ula in sethiam vekanga 26 January 1950 amo anulama India rampo na piang ma se December ni som 1992 ma piang in pate in pian laya Indian citizen an ni chuan by descent in Indian citizen in ni theyani. Point number 3 chu by registration. The central government may on an application register as a citizen of India. Tunge number 1 a chuan a person of Indian origin residing in India for 7 years kum sari chung India rama cheng in ni to a in apply chuan India sarkar in Indian citizenship India khwale tuini na apethei che uni. Point number 2 khi a person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in any country or place outside undivided India. Undivided India nge kan ti chuan India raman then than ma Pakistan le Bangladesh tina ni meya India ram kha independence khan hun hian then phota India le Pakistan a amaro chu Pakistan atangin Bangladesh kha an indang le ta India amo Pakistan amo Bangladesh a cheng outside undivided outside undivided India ti chuan Pakistan le Bangladesh tello ramdang ti nani. Number 3 a chuan a person who is married to citizens of India and resident of India for 7 years. Ta hian example thade om thei chu Sonia Gandhi pon India Prime Minister lo ni to Rajiv Gandhi kha ron neya ama kha chu Italian foreigner ania India rama kumsari alo che na India sarkara a apply by registration khian kumsari nuwa Indian citizen pek thei ani foreigner India mi nei Indian citizen ni du chu kumsari nga angai ni. Point number 4 a person of full age and capacity whose parents are registered as citizen of India. Innu le pate citizen Indian citizen an ni chuan India sarkara Indian citizen ni na indil ve theya entirnan USA innu le pa na va thok zuai USA va piang in ni chuan USA citizen kha an khwai pian phot chuan ini don ani India rama inu le pa non led le nu khan Indian citizen ni idu chuan sarkara idi langa inu le pa kha registered citizen of India an ni chuan nang ma po kha in thei ngalani. Point number 4 khi en le ila by naturalization. It can be acquired by a foreigner who has resided in India for 12 years. Som pani nichin khan sari anita criteria apply ngai ni som pani India rama I chen to chuan I apply mo I apply lo mo by naturalization in Indian citizen ani thei ani. Point pangana khichu by incorporation of territory foreign territory. If any new territory becomes a part of India, the government of India specifies the people of that territory to be citizens of India. Entirnan territory thar India in lo acquire ta se Burma khi India rama lo om thut ta se Burma mi zong kha Indian citizen chople chilin an ningal don ni kha incorporation of territory om zia chu nia. Citizen hi kan nei thei rualin lo thei ania laws of citizenship noya khian enge om kan en leang. The Citizenship Act of 1955 provides 3 ways of losing citizenship. Citizenship hi kan nei thei rualin a lo theya chi thum lo thei da na oma. Number 1 na chuan by renunciation. If a person gives up his citizenship after acquiring the citizenship of another country, India, USA va pem ni ta ula na va thok do ila va thok ula va om hlen ula mizo te po va thoka va om hlen tam takan oma so ta green card ne ya USA citizen ni indu chuan in renounce don an Indian citizenship in ni nakha Indian citizen kan ni thei to lo USA citizen ni ka du to India nga chu renunciation om zia nang mani le nang mani na inva give up khan renunciation chu ni. 2 by termination chu ti tok ti na niya. When an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, his Indian citizenship automatically terminates sa India. Indian citizen by termination chuan nangman idu thu than nge ya citizenship dang even nei khan Indian citizenship kha automatic in atop ngal don ani by termination hnuaia khi chuan. Number 3 by deprivation of citizenship by the government of India on the basis of fraud, false representation or being disloyal to the constitution. Pathum oma deprive sarkar in an thau thak sak thei che a deprivation hnuaia chuan India khwale tuini na kha sarkar in an thu in an ti tok sak thei che a fraud, false representation le disloyal to the constitution hnuaia khian ti tok sak thei ni. Entirnan terrorist an man te lo ni tala poi khoi na salutu India ram mun sang a bom lo kamal bom lo ti puak te ni tala Indian sarkar kha he pa chu amo he nu chu India khwale tui ani thei to lo apoi khoi hi turul tu kan ti chuan India sarkar in deprivation hnuaia khian Indian citizenship ini nan ti top theia ti khan citizenship nei loin tuilai rapin engkhwa ma citizen ni lo khana om thei ani. Adang le chu overseas citizen of India OCI ti hi om le tin India ram hun sanga an local khoman in hu khom ve thina entirnan Dubai ate Indian citizen overseas citizen of India ni na chel antamani heng hi tu tenge people of Indian origins except in Pakistan and Bangladesh. Pakistan le Bangladesh mi ni lo Indian origin ni si will become eligible to be registered as overseas citizen of India. Bangladesh le Pakistan na cheng ni lo mun san na cheng India khwale tui chung te lo ni to pipu te atanga Indian mi lo ni kha overseas citizen of India ni na an chel theya. Overseas citizen of India are entitled to benefits like multiple entry, multi-purpose lifelong visas. They can live in India or their country of naturalization. Multiple entry ti chu du huna India ramaron zin theina lifelong visa chu damchung visa damchung pon India overseas citizen of India ni nangin a chen ve theya ma se heng te hi they are not entitled to hold constitutional posts and employment in the government offices. Is ki prince wala lo oma ki lo en mai meta ula and they can't vote. Constitutional post to enge prime minister, president, governor, chief minister khatyang ho tulu ni na kha an chel theilo reng overseas citizen of India chuan employment in government office sarkar na an chel theilo boka they can't vote in khan huna vote an thak theilo bokani hi overseas citizen of India ni na chu ni adot le a kan en tur chu fundamental rights ti ania hanchiar bang ula the fundamental rights have been described in article 12 to 35 part 3 of the Indian constitution. Fundamental rights hi khoyange om article 12 to 35 part 3 of the Indian constitution. The Constitution affirms the basic principle that every individual is entitled to enjoy certain rights as a human being. Nichina citizenship India kwale tu ni chuan rights then khat chanvo inei ve ni entirnan North Korea te khilo enta ula North Korea citizen te chuan rights ni na an nei tlema in khwa khirna na sa em ani India chuan rights ni na digna chanvo kan nga em a khang kha fundamental rights noya hiana inziaka. These rights include all basic liberties which are significant and that make life significant and democracy fruitful, which are essential for the proper moral and material upliftment of the people. The fundamental rights in the Constitution are guaranteed to all citizens. Are the fundamental rights guaranteed to all citizens? Certain citizens tancho entirnan prime minister amo president tancho digna chanvo wan nei lawa mitin in kan nei ani. They include individual rights common to most liberal democracies. Democracy po Indian democracy hi chu liberal ber pol asoyania chanvo le digna kan nga em intirnan PIL te kan nei tu no phei chuan kan constitution hi transparent tamoti mei tur khatiang khania. They go beyond conventional civil liberties in protecting the cultural and educational rights of minorities. Tuna hian cultural and educational rights of minorities hi protect la tania kaini po minorities zinga tel kan nia ST kan nia, ensuring that minorities may preserve their distinctive languages, establish and administer their own educational institutions di turanya ki po hi. The fundamental rights secured to the individuals are in the nature of limitations or restrictions on the actions of the state. It also says that the state shall not make any law which take away or abridges the right conferred by its part, and any law made in contravention of these laws shall to the extent of contravention be void. India state sarkar hian fundamental rights labo thei shim law kha asiam tur ani lawani. After the 44th Amendment in 1976, there are only 6 fundamental rights. The right to property was deleted by the 44th Amendment Act from the list of fundamental rights and was made a legal right under Article 300A in Part 12 of the Indian Constitution. Hitakyan zona thei tam taka oma amendment khachu ka soifia to a class ma sa khan Constitution siam thatania an siam thatna voi somli pali 1976 sa khan na thenga takhian fundamental rights, right to property kha an dilita fundamental right ni lawin legal right ta an siam ani. Legal right chu enge kota kalpuya vakhin theina entirnan property right to property chu in hun te lo nei ta in hun chungchanga khan ko ta kal ngai se legally ni ta ni kha chuan legally ni ta ni to pa zona thei chu by which amendment was the right to property deleted. 44th Amendment 1976. Which fundamental right was deleted? Right to property was deleted. Originally, how many fundamental rights are there? 6 fundamental rights. 7 fundamental rights. How many fundamental rights are there now? 6 fundamental rights. Because right to property was deleted. Right to property was made a legal right in which article? Article 300A in Part 12 of the Indian Constitution. Khang ho kha kita khian zona om thei te chuan ni. Engtinge fundamental rights kan edanga pakhat na chuan right to equality, Article 14 to 18 hi right to equality deal to ania. Article 14 khi ange equality before law and equal protection of laws. Dan maya chuan tu po kan inang beka law po equally protect ani bok ani. It says that the state shall not deny to any person equality before law. Dan nuaya kan equal na kan intutlan na hi tu chunga ma sorkarin atitop thiang lawani mere thei ber atanga mi hausa ber po dan chunga leng tu ma kan nom lawani. Equal protection of the laws conferred within the territory of India. India territory chunga dan hi equally protected ania engtin ma dan hi Prime Minister in Asia itan dan hi kan siam dang lam teang ti theingot khani lo dan hi protected ani bokani. The rule of equality before law is not absolute. There are some exceptions to this rule. Exception om vea ta hian hanchiar ula number 1 khenge. The president or the governor is not answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his office. President mo governor ina a duty a hen phot chuan dan ani lo tia lo soi sel kha athiang lo ani. Number 2 chuan no criminal proceedings shall be instituted against the president or the governor in any court during his term of office. Anta man chelaya office an thudlai ani chuan president or amo governor kha laka criminal proceedings ti athiang lo ani. No process for the arrest or imprisonment of the president or the governor shall be issued in any court during his term of office. President mo governor man office an chelai chuan athiang lo bokani. Number 4 khenge in leila no civil proceedings towards the president or the governor shall be instituted during his term of office in respect of any act done by him before or after he entered his office till the expiration of 2 months' notice delivered to him. Nichin khatwan criminal proceedings ti kansiara tu na chuan civil proceedings ti ani danglam na oma hi kanin chuan civil proceedings nei chu president le governor la ka thianga ma se engtika nge 2 months notice kan pek photanga ya notice thani chung kan pek nuwa a proceeding kha anei thei ani khang kha article 14 noya om chu nia article 15 khan nge soi kan en leang. It says that the state shall not discriminate any citizen on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth in India khwale tui ni chuan India sorkarin isa khwa wang emo I race inam wang emo I caste schedule caste ni emo schedule tribe ni emo wang emo sex be chale mi amo mi pai ni emo I pian na hun na wangin discrimination sarkar laka adong theilo idong theilo ani entirnan sarkar in thu chwa siam se Presbyterian sa khotana ni velo mei chetana ni lo mi patana ni lo aizo la piang tana ni velo ti kha in Indian citizen tana an siam ani chuan atithiang lo ani tapo hian exception pathuma le a enge heng exception te hi kan enanga any special provision for women and children me chia le no pangte ta na provision siama khachuan discrimination om theya advancement of any socially and educationally backward class socially and educationally backward class atan ti changtun na tan khachuan sarkarin discrimination an nei thei Number 3 ya chuan special provisions for any socially and educationally backward class and scheduled castes and scheduled tribes regarding admission to all educational institutions. Hi chu in hrethiam me anga thilfia po ngai vak lawa admission educational institutions school lemo college mo educational institution shima admission ti na konga exception siam thei ani Article 16 hi kan en le anga enge inzia equality for all citizens in matters of employment or appointment to the office under the state tinia na sarkar na I thodon in equality om turani citizen zongjong chumi tan chuan ani lo chumi tan chuan ani lo ti om theilawa ma se na then khata chuan physically backward entirnan pian phungarwal ban lo ti ta na tho theilo top chi te om be a khang tan kha chuan ti theilawa enge exception om le khi number 1 a chuan it does not bind the state for prescribing necessary qualification for all recruitment tests and certain posts